Okay, I'm back. Let's try this again. Wiggled the wires a little bit and they seem to be back to normal. So we'll start our VNC connection. And there, when I clicked on it earlier, it already launched K-Stars. And first thing you do is you launch Ecos. And then you start Ecos. And now my Raspberry Pi is in charge. It's all connected and it knows what it's doing. These are all my devices using the Indie drivers. And I can access this, like say when I'm running the bath for the kids or that kind of thing. So I can access all of this. So while I'm waiting, first thing I usually do is plate solve, which won't work now, of course, because it's too bright. All I do is click that button and it will plate solve. And then the next thing I do is let's focus. Plate solve. Oh no, I do it in here. So then if I've been running a many night session on the same object, this is connecting to my main PC inside there. And so it saves all the images there on my main PC. And so these are my projects. My current project is this one. It's a mosaic of Seder, I think it's called. Seder. And so I have 4 different spots I've been doing to try and get a mosaic. And what you do, if you want to get back to that same spot, is you just click on an image that you've already taken and say, go to that one. And what it does is it will plate solve that image that I took the night before there. Plate solve it. You say, okay, go over there. And that's where it's going to point to. So hopefully I'll get to work on that image tonight. And it wants to know if I have the right filter. Yes, it is set to blue. And it's going to try and plate solve, and of course it will fail. But when it gets dark, it won't. And then I go here. See, it's got a nice bright white image. So when it gets dark, I will be going in here and setting my exposure with this Hyperstar. All I need is 15 seconds. So I would just set it to, it's hard for me to see right now, something like that. And then set like 200 images is what I've been doing lately. Whole bunch of images. And hit the go button and it will just do its thing. Of course, I also use PhD for guiding. So I'll do this before I start the images. Just connect it all. And it's too bright, but I would just start that as you normally would. And that's it. I can just, once everything is set up and I hit the go button, it just sits there doing it. I just take a look at it every once in a while to make sure the guiding's good, and that's it. Yeah, so that's my setup. So here's my Osmandy mount with my Hyperstar. Here's my AVX, which I'm going to give a shot at tonight. See if I can get my kids' camera working with it, and then I'll show them how to use it. And that's it. That's my setup. Thank you. Bye.